The governor has ordered North Carolina schools to remain closed until May, but warns their doors could stay shut even longer. From WREL News, this is your Coronavirus North Carolina News Brief for Monday, March 23, 2020. I'm Cliff Baumgardner. Here's the latest from WREL.com. Today, Governor Roy Cooper announced an executive order mandating schools statewide to remain closed for in-person education until at least May 15th. He had previously ordered schools to remain closed through just this week, but the new date is based on guidance from the CDC and could change again as the situation evolves. The governor's executive order, which takes effect on Wednesday, also lowers the cap on mass gatherings from 100 people to 50. Keep in mind, the federal government is still encouraging gatherings of no more than 10. Meanwhile, Cooper's order also closes movie theaters, bowling alleys, bingo and sweepstakes parlors, and gyms and fitness centers, as well as barbershops, hair and nail salons, and tattoo and massage parlors. At a press conference this afternoon, the governor acknowledged the difficulty these closures present for North Carolinians, but stressed the order was vital in the state's ongoing battle with the virus.
I know that these actions cause hardship and heartache for a lot of people, but they're necessary to save lives.
As of recording, at least 331 people in North Carolina have tested positive for COVID-19, including 2 in Raleigh and Cary nursing homes. No deaths have been reported in the state. With schools in North Carolina now closed until May, the State Board of Education voted unanimously today to request a federal waiver for required testing and accountability measures for the current school year. The federal government announced the waiver last Friday, which allows states to suspend testing for the remainder of the 2019 through 2020 school year. During a teleconference this morning, State Board Chairman Eric Davis said districts have quickly ramped up meal delivery for students who depend on schools for food. About 1.6 million meals have been delivered in the past week, Davis said, bringing the statewide capacity to about 571,000 meals per day. Davis said schools and districts statewide are working quickly to create remote coursework and online resources for social engagement for students. He said teachers are staying connected with students by phone, video chat, and messaging. From WREL TechWire, today, GE Aviation announced it is laying off 10% of its workforce, potentially impacting the some 400 people who work at the company's jet engine plant in Durham. GE has operated the Durham plant for nearly 27 years and also has plants in Asheville and West Jefferson. The layoffs are the latest to hit North Carolina as the coronavirus impact spreads. According to General Electric Chair and CEO H. Lawrence Culp Jr., the cuts are being made due to the economic impact of the coronavirus. Where the layoffs will be made across the divisions of GE was not disclosed. The news comes as unemployment claims in North Carolina have climbed over 100,000, the number skyrocketing following the governor's executive order last week closing restaurant and bar dining rooms. In a normal week, the state logs about 3,200 new unemployment claims based on 2019 numbers. This morning, the state put the number at over 113,000 claims since last Monday and said at least 87% listed COVID-19 as a factor. Obviously, the coronavirus is an ever-changing story, and covering everything in just 5 minutes a day isn't possible. So if you want more, I suggest you check out our live newscasts, which are available for free every single day, no subscription required. Just go to WREL.com or download the WREL streaming channel on Roku, Fire TV, Apple TV, or Samsung connected TVs, so you can stay informed and stay safe. This has been your Coronavirus North Carolina News Brief for Monday, March 23rd, 2020. If you like the news and information you're getting from this podcast, give us a rating and review on whatever app you use. It makes a big difference and helps us get to other listeners who may need this info as well. And while you're there, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss our new episodes, posted daily by 5 p.m. Thanks for listening.